Body dysmorphic disorder the best treatment option. Body dysmorphic disorder, BDD, is a mental illness characterized by a preoccupation with minor or imaginary physical flow, usually of the skin, hair, and nose. The cause of body dysmorphic disorder is well understood. Symptoms include excessive anxiety and stress about perceived defect that can lead to compulsive behavior. Examples include excessively grooming, seeking reassurance from others about perceived flow, excessively shaking the mirror, and hiding imperfection. People with body dysmorphic disorder are more likely than others to undergo cosmetic surgery. Treatment can include psychotherapy in the form of cognitive behavioral therapy, avec la médication. Body dysmorphic disorder, BDD, is a serious illness in which a person is preoccupied with minor or imaginary physical flow, usually of the skin, hair, and nose. A person with BDD tend to have cosmetic surgery, and even if the surgery is successful, do not inquiétez and is unhappy with the outcome. Symptoms of BDD. Camouflaging, with body position, clothing, makeup, hair, etc. Comparing body part to other appearance. Seeking surgery. Shaking in a mirror. Avoiding a mirror. Skin picking. Excessive grooming. Excessive exercise. Changing clothes excessively. Being preoccupied with minor or imaginary physical flow, usually of the skin, hair, and nose, such acne, scarring, facial line, mark, pale skin, thinning hair, excessive body hair, large nose, or crooked nose. Having a lot of anxiety and stress about perceived flow and spending a lot of time focusing on it, such as frequently picking a skin, excessively shaking appearance in a mirror, hiding imperfection, comparing appearance with others, excessively grooming, seeking reassurance from others about a look, and getting cosmetic surgery. Getting cosmetic surgery can make BD divorce. They are often no happy with the outcome of the surgery. If they are, they must start to focus attention on another body area and become preoccupied trying to fix the new defect. In this case, some patients with BDD become angry at the surgeon for making their appearance worse and may even become violent over the surgeon. Treatment for BDD. Cognitive behavioral therapy. This is a type of therapy with several steps. The therapist asks the patient to antisocial situation with to covering hyper defect. The therapist helps the patient stop doing the compulsive behavior to check the defect or cover it up. This include removing a mirror, covering a skin area that the patient pick, or no using makeup. The therapist helps the patient change their false belief about their appearance. Antidépressant medication, including selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, SERI, can help relieve obsessive and compulsive symptoms of BDD. Treatment allows to a patient so it is important to talk with a doctor to determine the best individual approach. Many doctors recommend using a combination of treatment for best result. Point primary goal of mindfulness-based CBT to learn to non-judgmentally accept ton comfortable psychological experience. From a mindfulness perspective, much of our psychological distress is the result of trying to control and eliminate the discomfort of unwanted feeling, sensation, and urge. In whatever, our discomfort is not a problem, our attempt to control and eliminate our discomfort is a problem. For an individual with body dysmorphic disorder, the ultimate goal of mindfulness is to develop the ability to more willingly experience their uncomfortable feeling, sensation, and urge, to responding with compulsion, avoidance behavior, reassurance seeking, and or mental ritual. To learn more about mindfulness-based CBT for the treatment of BDD. Individual therapy for the treatment of body dysmorphic disorder. Lofi group therapy for the treatment of body dysmorphic disorder. Telephone online therapy for the treatment of body dysmorphic disorder. Intensive BDD treatment. Selective Serotonin Reuptake Inhibitor, SERI. SERI are a type of antidepressant increase the level of a chemical called serotonin in your brain. Serotonin is a chemical that brain use to transmit information from one brain cell to another. An B of differ SERI are available, but most people with BDD will be prescribed a course of fluoxetine. Myriadine. In addition to holding negative to taboo and solve, people with BDD assume that vitamin negatively. With the technique, patients learn that the assumptions are rational. Metacognitive therapy. From a metacognitive perspective, it's important to learn to accept the presence of distorted or uncomfortable feeling with responding to them with avoidant and compulsive behavior. Exposure en réponse prévention. BDD en obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD, have distinct similarity. Patient WHO have BDD or typically engage in ritualistic behavior to avoid anxiety.